Matimore okawo thuolo mar George Kinoti mabende osebedo kata kati wawinj kaka otime.
Without due authority, disclose or make known to any person any information acquired by me by reason of the duties performed by me on behalf or under the direction of the National Police Service, or by reason of any office or employment held by me pursuant to the National Police Service Act. So help me God.
Thank you very much. Mr. Amin, you may have your seat, and I wish to congratulate you on taking your oath of office. That brings us to the end of the oathing ceremony. At this juncture, I would like to request Mr. Amin Mohammed to make a few remarks. Most welcome.
The Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of Kenya, Honorable Justice Martha Koome, the Registrar of the Supreme Court, Honorable Anna Madi,